Have you ever been halfway through a project and you're measuring a wall with a tape measure and it keeps bending, falling over, or you need someone to hold it on the other end so they don't let it go? I run into those problems all the time, whether I'm working in my garage, I'm putting up some shelves, or I'm just measuring something in the house like this. Having the right tools at the right time makes a huge difference. So that's why today I'm gonna be reviewing a new product that's supposed to replace a few different tools with just one. So before we get this video started, I wanna thank Cyber Power Tools for sponsoring this video. We're gonna give an honest review, and I got a project going on in my room. So let's go ahead and go in there and show you how this works. So this is the Cyber Measure Pro. First and foremost, I love the design of the packaging. Like, black is my favorite color, and I love like the texture. It's just so subtle. And once you open the box up, you already see right here that it even has an activate your 3-year warranty card. So y'all know once y'all buy this will be protected for 3 years. And basically, as you can see, it's 3 tools built into one. You get a 16-foot retractable tape measure for close-up jobs, also a laser distance meter for longer measurements, and a crosshair protection laser that helped me line things up. All you need to power this bad boy is 2 AAA batteries, and there's no charging cable or app you have to worry about. You just grab it and go. The laser distance is probably the most biggest time saver. As you can see, you just press this button right here, hold it, and there's your laser right here, and let's measure it. And as you can see, that's your measurement right there. You no longer have to stretch the tape across the room or ask somebody to hold it for you just so it doesn't retract. Super accurate to about plus or minus 3 millimeters in normal condition, and measures up to 40 meters with even more range for ideal conditions. For shorter jobs, you still got the built-in 16-foot tape measure. That's perfect for things like cabinets, door frames, or anything where the laser isn't practical. And it even has a magnetic hook and clear imperial markings. Another nice feature that I really like is a crosshair protection laser. It makes the crosshair on whatever you put it, as you can kind of see it's on the wall right now. It makes it super easy and perfect to line up shelves, pictures, which makes it handy for lining up shelves, pictures, or anything that you just want perfectly straight. It also has 6 different measuring modes. I mean, it has standard distance, continuous measuring, area volume, Pythagorean mode for indirect height measurements, and secondary Pythagorean mode for complex height measurements. Another feature I didn't expect to appreciate that much is the front and rear datum switch. You can literally tell the tool if you're measuring from the front or the back housing, so you're not consistently adding or subtracting the tool length in your head. Another nice touch as well is the backlit display, and the fact that it runs on thousands of measurements with just 2 AAA batteries, and the fact that it's drop rated to 1 meter, and the fact that you can literally fit this in your pocket when you're working. My favorite feature about this has to be having both the tape measure and the laser tool on the same tool. On a project like this, I can use the tape measure for like a smaller measurement, and then I can press the laser, let's see, and measure the longer distance from the bottom of the picture to the top of that wall right here. So it says it's around 4 feet. As you can see right here, it says 4 feet. Let's measure with the tape measure and see if that's accurate. So we're gonna go from the bottom picture right here all the way up to the top. Okay, we're touching it, and yep, guys, that's about 4 feet. Like, little moments like that makes the workflow way faster. Like, even compared with a regular tape measure, you don't have to fight with the tape sagging or anything like that, or even find someone to help you hold the other end. And then even compared to a standalone laser measurer, you still have a physical tape built in whenever you need it. And unlike other smart measuring tools, you don't need any Bluetooth, no app, and no setup. It comes already prepared for you. But as part of this honest review, there are a couple things I do want you to know as well. Like most red laser measuring tools, the laser may be harder to see over sunlight whenever you're trying to measure anything. You also want to make sure you selected the right front and rear measuring reference when accuracy matters. And while it's fine for indoor work or sheltered outdoor work, it is not designed as a waterproof or dust-proof material. But all in all, as a review over this tape right here, I give it a 10 out of 10, honestly. So if you want to grab this exact tool, I went ahead and put the link down below in the description. You can use my personal code and you can grab this today on a great discount. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe if you want to watch more reviews from me.